Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're going to talk about tire rotation on Jeeps, or pretty much any four-wheel drive, but the Jeeps, you got the spare tire on the back. We're going to do a 5-tire rotation, and some guys like to do only 4, but it's good to do the 5-tire because if you have all new tires on the vehicle, and that one stays new and all the other ones get used, then you're going to throw it off. If you put that on as a spare, it may throw things off a little bit, but if you keep using it in the rotation, you can save about 20% of tire life. And why you rotate the tires, well, first of all, they're very expensive. Second of all, they both do different jobs. The backs only stay straight. They never turn. The fronts do turn. So when they turn, they make, different types of wear. All right. And it's good to rotate the tires when they're spinning one way. And then on the opposite side, they're going to be spinning the other way half their life. So half their life, they're going to be spinning one way and then the other way. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so basically how you do it is, I'm not going to jack it up, but it's self-explanatory. You jack the vehicle up. Do not rely on the jack. Jack is not made for holding weight. It's only made to lift. The stands are made to hold the weight. You jack it up. Normally, a lot of people don't have a lift. So you're going to do it one by one in your garage. That's fine. Okay, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to take the spare off. The spare goes into passenger side rear. Okay, the passenger side rear tire goes straight to the front passenger side. Passenger side front tire goes to the driver's side rear. Driver's side rear tire goes to driver's side front. Driver's side front becomes the new spare tire that you put on the back. And that's how you do a 5-tire rotation. And now you want to do the 5-tire rotation let's say every oil change. Let's say if you change your oil 3,000 miles, 4,000 miles. So you want to do it like 6,000 miles, 8,000 miles. So every other oil change, you rotate your tires. This way they stay even, cuts down on less of the noise, especially you have the aggressive threads like these tires. You don't want them to get choppy. If you ever hear some of these Jeeps, they're going down the road, whoa, 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 whoa. Either they have a bent rim or they don't change their tire or rotate their tires. And these tires are a lot of money, $400 or $500 a piece, minimum. So that's how you do that to save, get most out of your tires. And it's for safety. Make sure they're properly inflated too as well. That's also very important. And this way you can, enjoy the quality tires that you have on your vehicle for many years to come. All right, guys. So it's MotorCarNut. Please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, leave them below. Pertaining to the video, I answer all my questions. I appreciate all the help I get. All the thanks I get, all the help that I give. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.